What's up, guys? We got a 2016 Cadillac CTS-V we just picked up from the auction, as you guys can see, and it is a clean title, surprisingly. So we got lucky on that. It's got the LT4 supercharged engine in there. It's running and driving. Everything starts up. It's got Ferrari wheels on all four corners, 20 inches wrapped in Nitto NT55 tires. It's got Recaro and Alcantara seats. Interior, it's got an Alcantara wrapped steering wheel, got Bose sound system in it, and yeah, and then we got Corsa exhaust on it. I don't know if those are the extremes, but I had to lift it up on the jack and we'll check that out. It's all blacked out. He's got all the badges blacked out. So yeah, we're gonna start taking it apart and showing you guys all the damage. As you guys can see, it was hit up from up front. Got hit in a weird way from up top. He probably hit a truck or something. It's got a carbon fiber hood, as you guys can see. So this side is pretty much perfectly good. Nothing was touched on this side. It's mainly just smashed in from the middle right here. And you guys can see the radiator is pushed in right. Radiator support is pushed in right there. And this side got a little bit tweaked as well. So yeah, we're gonna start tearing everything apart. So hopefully you guys stay tuned for the rest of the video. All right, guys, we're gonna start tearing into this front end and start by taking off the front bumper. Alright guys, so day 2 with the CTS-V, and as you guys can see, we got everything taken off. Got the reinforcement bar exposed, got the frame rails exposed. So the main damage, primary damage, was the core radiator support up top, which connects to the fender aprons. So luckily it's just bolted on, it's not welded, so we're just gonna take the bolts off, take it off, and we already got a new one right there. So we're just gonna take this off and slap the new one on. All right guys, so the first thing I'm gonna start with is taking off this passenger side fender. We got the driver's side off. We're just lining it, fixing a little bit of damage on it. And yeah, once I get this off, we'll expose the whole core support, then we can get all the bolts off. So let me go ahead and take that off. All right guys, we got the radiator support off, as you guys can see. So now everything is exposed. So you got the fender apron right here where it attaches right here, and then you got the other side, and we got the old one right there. So now we just need to scuff this new one we got. It's a white color, and then we're gonna go ahead and just paint it black and then slap it right back on. So it's pretty simple. Just you have a bolts right here that snap onto the bottom end, and that's pretty much it. Alright guys, we got the core radiator support changed. As you guys can see, we spray painted it gloss black to match everything else. Got it all bolted on. We got the grounds bolted on. We got it started up right now, as you guys can hear. We're gonna change the oil real quick and then just drive it around and see if it's driving all good. Doesn't seem to have any lights on in the car, so we're good on that. No check engine light. Operating temps are normal. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and change the oil right now. So let's get straight to it. Alright guys, changing the oil right now. Got Mobil 1 5W30. Got the oil filter right there. You can use 0W40, 5W40 in these. It's just how you're gonna use the car for track purposes. So yeah, 5W30 is what it says on there. So we're just using whatever it calls for. Alright guys, we just changed the oil. I'm gonna give it its first start. Oh, damn. Now those third? Yeah, let him go. Go. Oh! Alright guys, we got everything buttoned up. As you guys can see, we got the intake on, we got the radiator support on. It's looking super nice with the gloss black. And now everything's pretty much in place, as you guys can see. So now, yeah, it's pretty much just putting the rest of the car together, and then we're gonna gotta detail the engine. Alright guys, so thank you guys so much if you guys made it to the end of this video. As you guys can see, we got a lot of progress done on the Cadillac CTS-V here. We threw the radiator core support on in the front. We got it all painted and slapped it on. We changed the oil on it, and yeah, that was pretty much the primary damage. So now we just got to put the hood and the fenders together, and that's going to be pretty much it. Hopefully you guys stay tuned to the next video where we're going to start working on the fenders and the hood and just those little slight damages on it. So we're going to get that all prepped up and painted, slap that back on, and then just swap the steering airbag on it. And then yeah, that's pretty much it for the Cadillac CTS-V, and then it's going to be ready for its next owner. So yeah, hopefully you guys stay tuned so you guys can see what we flip it for and all the price details. If you guys want that, you guys can comment it down below. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe so you guys can stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. Drop a like on the video if you guys liked it, and yeah, drop your thoughts and questions and comments down in the comments below. And if you guys have any other questions, you can DM me at KingCons392. I'll put it right here on the screen. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.